She's Sam Ricketts.
And he's John Peck, and we are researching the motion of a three-point basketball shot.
Today we will be showing you the three main components to having a successful three-point basket. Think of a three-point shot as a vector. You want the shortest displacement possible to give you the best chance at making the shot. In this diagram, we show you the ideal positioning for the release point of the shot. The reason this is the best is because it is on a plane that is parallel to the hoop. This creates the shortest distance possible between the person and the basket. Shorter distance equals greater margin of error.
You want to release the ball at the apex of your jump. This is to maximize the use of your legs. According to Dave from Ask a Coach Shot Science, he says that if you release the ball too late, then you will lose the power of your legs and the ball will either fall flat or your shot will be short.
If you are late releasing the ball, your shot will come up short. The second component to making a successful three-point shot is backspin. The goal of having a successful three-point shot is to have the ball approach the basket with the least amount of velocity as possible.
A person can do this by putting as much backspin as the ball as they can.
Franco Narmati explains the ball has a tendency to fall in the direction of the spin. For example, if the ball hits the backboard with backspin, it will fall into the hoop.
When a ball has backspin and it hits the backboard or hits the rim, it will cause friction, which slows down the velocity of the ball. This will give it a greater chance of making it into the basket.
The last component of making a three-point shot is launch angle. The optimal launch angle of a three-point shot is 48 degrees.
Sure says, with a lower arc, you need to utilize more force to get the ball to the rim. With a lower launch angle, it requires more initial speed upon release to get the ball to the basket.
If the ball does not have enough arc, this forces the shooter to put more initial velocity on the ball, which creates a harder shot. Bob also states the shot will no longer be a soft shot because gravity increases the speed of the ball as it falls. If the shot has too much arc, once the ball starts its downfall, it accelerates at negative 9.8 meters per second. The more arc, the more time for the ball to fall. This creates a harder shot. Here are some examples of three-point shots from the school basketball team.
In conclusion, anybody that watches this video will be able to make a perfect three-point shot
By using three easy steps: release point, backspin, and launch angle.